Hello friends and welcome to a new video. My name is Nikon and every week on this channel I give you tips and tricks on how to be more consistent, more productive and more creative making videos for YouTube, but also for your filmmaking career. Today we're going to talk about a softbox for Forza 60B. In the previous video we talked about the Forza 60B, but you can't really use it because you've got this crazy shadows behind, and that's why you need a softbox. And today we're going to unbox and review the softbox for the Forza 60. Let's go. Okay, let's see first what's in this bag. Well, it's not in the box. Well, it came in the box, but I threw away the box because it was a big one. All right, so here is the soft box for Forza 60 or 60B, and let's see what's inside. Very nice. You've got this bag over here. This is a Bowens adapter. All right, we'll keep it here. We don't need it for now. All right, that's very nice. This is sort of the cloth that we're going to use it to cover the softbox, the diffuser. Okay, and here we have the softbox, the umbrella. There you are. What else in the box? So here are another diffuser. Right, so this is the milky one, and this is the much lighter diffuser over here, as you can see. Okay. Well, they look very similar, but this one diffuses less. I mean, it has a much harsher light, I guess, but that's why I'm not going to use it for now. And what else is in here? And all right, so we have instructions on how to do it, but I think it's pretty simple, pretty easy. So you just need to get this inside and it's done. Okay, right, let's get rid of the box. I don't need the instructions. I think it's pretty easy and it's pretty intuitive how to do it. So it is. It's quite small. It's 60 centimeters diameter. Right, here we are. Not that big though. Right, so it's softbox Forza 60. All right, so let's start. I mean, this is pretty easy and intuitive. So first of all, let's remove this cover from the strings, and you just have to get them up like this until you hear a click. You see this little things here? So I think it's quite bright. Let me actually show you one thing. You see my Forza 60B without a softbox? The light is so harsh, and you can see it here actually on the background. You see this. You've got the shadows. That's why you need a softbox. When you put the softbox in here, you won't be able to see the shadows. So what I did now, I got the power of the light a bit lower. It was like this. It's too bright, and I'm using my controller over here. Is a WSRC-C1 from nanlite. I'm using all my lights to control just with a click over there, you see. So I'll get it. Okay, switched it off. I don't need much though, so this should be okay, I think. So let's see. Yeah, can you see what I'm doing here? Right, now let's put it a bit down. It's crazy. I'm gonna switch it off actually. I don't need this light now. I'll just put it like that, just a minimum. Okay, so what you have to do, you get this in place over here. You see a click, and you have to do it all like this. Okay, just be careful, slowly. Now I have to turn it upside down and make sure we close this so we won't have any light spill. And here we are, softbox done in 1 minute. very, very easy, very simple. So what else I need to tell you is that you see here, you've got this adapter over here, like that. So this is for, let me open it like this. So this is for the Forza 60, and this is a universal Bowens adapter. You can use this, you just unscrew this thing here, unscrew the screws there, and you can put this on here like that, and you can use this softbox with your bigger nanlite lights, or you can use it with other lights, not necessarily from nanlite. So yeah, this is for the Bowens mount, and this, the white one here, the small one that's inside, this is for the Forza 60 because it's much smaller. And yeah, basically here it is. It's very easy. So now what we have to do, I'm going to show you the difference between the light that I'm getting now. Okay, so I'm getting now, this is the light I'm getting with this. So you see the shadows, over here. This is from my the reflector without the softbox. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch that reflector. This is the exact amount of power of light that it was before, but if I'm going now and I'm increasing it, so I'm increasing the light to 100%, and I come again here, you can see there's a lot of light here on myself, but there's still no sort of like shadows directly, you know, and that's what a diffuser does. So I'm putting less light here, I'm closing it completely. Go to this camera over here, look, I'm completely in darkness. So putting on again, I think that would be probably somewhere in the middle. Well, let's make it a bit brighter like that. Can you see? I think it's just a bit too much, so make it lower like that. And you see, here we are, like no, completely switched off and switched on, and I can show you the difference with switched off and switched on again. But now let's go quickly and put the egg crate on and see the difference. I'm not going to change the light, the strength of the light, so I'm going to keep it like that, and you'll see what difference the egg crate does and why it is so important. Okay, so the egg crate is on now. So this is exactly the same amount of light and the strength of the light that was before. You can see the egg crate creates this sort of like it gives you, like when you put the egg crate, it doesn't spill the light so much. I think the shadows that it gives, it's quite incredible. If I go all the way to 100, you'll see all the way to 100 is still, it creates a little bit of shadows. You can see here now there are a little bit of shadows, but the egg crate are so cool to create the sort of like a definition, and it's it sort of like makes the light sort of like more directional, and it's not so like direct, and it creates shadows as well, which are looking pretty good. I love using egg crates, but take this into consideration when using egg crates. The intensity of the light are going to be much less than without it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you did get some value out of it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one when we're going to talk about another nanlite Forza 500, which is a super light that you should definitely have it if you're serious about filmmaking. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.